Hey guys, I'm at the market and I'm on the hunt for the freshest Chinese leaf for my crispy spicy garlic tofu. Let's go. I'm Ching, a TV chef and food writer. To celebrate Veganuary this year, Ching-He have challenged me to create some mouth-watering plant-based meals. So join me as I seek out the freshest produce and combine it with Ching's famous flavor-packed sauces to make something truly veglicious. This is what I'm looking for, Chinese leaf, one of my favorite vegetables. You want them to be lovely and fresh leaves, plump, heavy, the leaves quite tightly compact, and you don't want any blemishes on the stalk. So this is lovely and smooth and fresh. This is going to add the perfect sweet crunch to my crispy spicy garlic tofu. Okay, so I've got my fresh Chinese leaf and I've already pre-prepared it. I've just sliced it into 1-inch chunks. I just need half the Chinese leaf for this dish. And I'm gonna pair this with some tofu. So I've got here 1 whole block and I want to slice this into about 2 centimeters by 2 centimeters cubes into a larger dish and just separate them out. We're just going to season it with a little bit of sea salt, ground white pepper. Next, I've got some corn flour, generously dusted over the tofu, and that's going to give it a nice crisp coating. I'm just going to turn on my pan and I've already filled it with ½ liter of vegetable oil. So I want to heat the oil to about 180 degrees. We're going to just shallow fry the tofu until it's nice and crisp. So just gently lift them and turn them to make sure all the sides are fried evenly. So the tofu is looking really nice and golden. So I'm just going to lift them out and then just drain them on kitchen paper. So while the tofu is draining, I'm going to get on with the rest of the ingredients. I've got here 1 knob of ginger, so I just want to peel it and we're going to finely grate it. Next, I've got some fresh spring onions. So I just want to slice the spring onions, nice 1 centimeters on the angle. So I've got all my ingredients prepped, it's time to wok. So wok on, in with some rapeseed oils and then in quickly with the ginger. Few seconds and then in with the Chinese leaf. So once they've had about 1 minute to 2 minutes in the wok, I'm just going to add in some Shaoxing rice wine, or you could use dry sherry. Then I want 1 tablespoon of Chingxx's chili garlic sauce. And this is spicy, it's garlicky, look at that. And that just instantly transforms the Chinese leaf. So then in goes some crunchy water chestnuts. Then I'm going to go in with Chingxx's premium light soy sauce. So I just need a tablespoon of this, and this is going to give the dish a lovely savory pop. I'm going to add my crispy tofu all in the wok, a drizzle of golden syrup, cashew nuts for crunch, then the spring onions. Take it off the heat, and all I'm going to do is just give that a gentle stir through. And we're ready to serve. This is the moment. Just spoon it out. And that's it. That's my chili spicy garlic tofu with Chinese leaf.